Division. Dividend. The number to be divided is called dividend. Divisor. The number by which we divide is called divisor. Quotient. The result of division is called quotient. Remainder. The number left over after the division is called remainder. Division by one-digit divisor. Divide 486 by 4. Here, dividend is 486 and divisor is 4. Now we start at hundreds position. So, 4 into 1 is equal to 4 and 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. And we move to tens position. So, here, 4 into 2 is equal to 8. So, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. And then at ones position, 4 into 1 is equal to 4, which is nearest to 6. So 4 minus 6 is equal to 2. Hence, 2 is the remainder and 121 is the quotient. Division by two-digit divisor. Divide 479 by 15. Here, 15 is the divisor and 479 is dividend. At hundreds place, 4 is lesser than 15. So we put 0 at hundreds place in quotient and clubbing the digits at hundreds and tens place. Now dividing 47 with 15 and 15 into 3 is equal to 45. So 3 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. Further bringing down 9 and divide 29 with 15. So 1 is the quotient and 14 is remainder. When we divide 479 with 15, quotient is 31 and remainder is 14. Division by three-digit divisor. Divide 53,978 by 120. Here, 120 is the divisor and 53,978 is dividend. Here, 10,000 and 1,000 places are both less than 120. So we add 0 in quotient for each place. Now clubbing digits at 10,000, 1,000 and hundreds place, dividing 539 with 120 and 120 into 4 is equal to 480. So 4 is the quotient and 59 is the remainder. Further bring down 7 and divide 597 with 120. So 4 is the quotient and 117 is remainder. Now bringing down 8, dividing 1178 with 120 and 120 into 9 is equal to 1080. So 449 is the quotient and 98 is the remainder. Short division method. Division by 10 and 100. Division by 10. Here, 48 is a dividend and 10 is the divisor. To start dividing, we take 10 into 4 is equal to 40 and subtract from 40. So, we are left with 8. So, when a number is divided by 10, then a number at ones place is remainder and number formed by remain digit becomes the quotient. Like in 2566 divided by 10. 6 is the remainder and 256 is the quotient. Division by 100. Here 486 is the dividend and 100 is the divisor. So 100 into 4 is equal to 400. And doing subtraction, 486 minus 400, we get 86 as the remainder and 4 as the quotient. So when we divide a number by 100, then digits in ones and tens place becomes a remainder, while remaining number from quotient like in 2566 divided by 100, 66 is the remainder and 25 is the quotient. Short division method. Division by 1000 and 10,000. Division by 1000. Here 4,000 885 is divided by 1000 and 4 is the quotient and 885 is the remainder. So, when we divide any number by 1000, then digits at ones, tens and hundreds place form the remainder and digits at other places forms the quotient. For example, 78,965 divided by 1000. Here, 965 is the remainder and 78 is the quotient. Division by 10,000. Here, 47,896 is divided by 10,000 and 4 is the quotient and 7,896 is remainder. So when we divide any number by 10,000, then digits at ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place form the remainder and digits at other places forms the quotient. For example, 8,32,456 is divided by 10,000. Here 2,456 is the remainder and 83 is the quotient. Properties of division. Division by 1. Any number divided by 1 gives the same number. For example, 8 divided by 1 is equal to 8. Division by number itself. Any number divided by itself is equal to 1. For example, 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Division by 0. Any number divided by 0 is equal to 0. For example, 8 divided by 0 is equal to 0. Estimation of quotient. Estimating can be done by rounding off the given numbers to nearest 10, 100 or 1000 and then getting the quotient. For example, divide 53 by 8. Here, divide 53 by 8, we round off 53 to 50 and 8 to 10. Now, 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5, which is the estimated quotient. Average. Calculate central value of set of numbers. List the items. Add all items. Divide the sum by number of items. Average is equal to sum of items upon number of items. Thank you.